Hi, I'm Tristan, and today I'm going to go through the 5 best ways to purchase your next investment property. These tips could be great for the first home buyers who are looking to buy their next investment property, or for the seasoned investors who are looking to expand their portfolio. The most straightforward way to purchase an investment property is just with a 20% deposit, or even in some cases 10%. It's very important to make sure that you understand exactly how much you need to contribute. You can use equity in your existing property, and that way you might not have to contribute any cash at all. Just keep in mind that not all banks will value your property the same, so it's important that we get multiple upfront free valuations to make sure we maximize your borrowing. Individuals or couples who have a combined super balance of over $180,000 can use their super fund to buy the property and use that super as the deposit. Again, no cash is required, and it can be a fantastic tool to increase your borrowing capacity. Developers can offer the opportunity to opt into a project at the start. It may require a small cash outlay, but it can be a great way because you only pay stamp duty on the land portion, so it means that your deposit can go further. If your home is fully paid off or you have investments under corporate structure, you can continue purchasing investment properties through companies. Some lenders will allow you to stretch your borrowing capacity using this tactic, and it is also the common tactic used by people who have existing investment mortgages. These strategies are best put in place with the right expertise and the right guidance. We can help by assessing your goals and setting out the right plan of attack. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or if you want a free over-the-phone consultation.